Hey everybody, just wanted to talk about Karlsen, the talk of the town this week. And for those that you guys haven't heard or been living under a rock for the past few days, this project, Karlsen, is a new fork of Kaspa, where they're going to make it ASIC resistant. There's some arguments to be made here where that might not be the case, but we shall see. Depending on the algorithm, I guess things that are going on in the background here. But for today, I wanted to actually show you guys what I've been mining, the hash rates and the overclocks for all of my Nvidia GPUs. 1060s, 1660s, 1660 Ti's and Supers, as well as 3060 Ti's and 3070s. So hopefully this video helps. I haven't found anything out there on YouTube as far as resources or overclocks that maybe people might be wanting. So hey, figured I'll give it a shot here and show you kind of what I've created over the past few days and show you what I'm mining. So right here I'm on Hero Miners, and man, this hash rate is insane. I guess it's been starting I think in the 20-30 terahash range a few days ago until everybody's been talking about it on crypto Twitter. A couple of pools obviously picked up this coin to be mined. I actually have been waiting for the web wallet. I just don't have the means to have a different computer to kind of start the node and create my wallet. So I wanted an exchange to just kind of start mining and sending it to it. So TradeOgre listed it. They were the first exchange to do so. So yeah, I just started mining to it, but look at this hash rate, guys, 246 terahash. It's insane. I think yesterday I was mining close to 1,000-ish a day on about 18 gigahash. See a couple of my rigs here. It's been dropping quite a bit on the rewards here. But yeah, it's just been a crazy wild day, and I could show you guys the chart here, just kind of how it's been going, and it's just kind of flat, which is kind of a good sign. Full disclosure, I did buy about, I don't know, $250 worth earlier today, as well as just been mining to the TradeOgre wallet here. Let's see if this thing would actually load, but yeah, just kind of wanted to kind of show you guys. I have about 4,800 Karlsen right now. But yeah, I mean it's going to be interesting to see kind of how it's going to play out in the next several weeks, several months. I mean it's I think roughly the volume on this coin, if I don't I think it was over 1 million not too long ago. Now it's about 900,000. So people are selling off, possibly taking those profits while they can. But hey, if you guys need some cash, why not just mine and trade it out for USDT? Use that to buy other coins, that are heavy power, like Kapal coins, right? But yeah, so to give you an idea of what I'm mining in my farm today, I have 8 3070s, 3 1660 Ti's, 4 1660 Supers, and 5 1660 Ti's, as well as 8 3060 Ti's. I did have this rig, the 1660s, mining earlier, but hey, the hash rate, the network hash rate on all the other, Nexa, Lithium, couple others, I mean, the hash rate's down, so you might as well just start mining those as well. But yeah, I wanted to show you kind of what I've created here with all of my overclocks and which ones have been working best for me. So if you guys want to screenshot this, or just pause the video and take a look and maybe compare, to what your cards have, and hopefully this helps you guys out. So it looks like, for the 3070s, I'm at about a 13.8 efficiency, hash per watt. The 3060 Ti's about 13.5. And in my Octominer, I have 3 of those that are mixed with the 1660 Ti's and Supers. It's not as efficient as the other ones, but it's the same overclocks. However, I'm getting about 12.8, so a little bit of difference here. But yeah, I mean, it seems like the 1425 core clock lock and the 350 core offset is working very well on the 3060 Ti's. Scrolling down here for the 1660s, I'm getting about a 12.3 efficiency. 3060s I have not tested yet. That's going to be next. I might do that. And here's the 1660 Supers at 10.9. And the 1660 Ti is pretty much the same, almost 10.8. Yeah, it's just funny. You can kind of go up or down on the core clocks. And then the core offsets, I think 200 is pretty stable for the 1660s. So yeah, I mean, I hope that, helps and brings some guidance as far as where you should be setting your overclocks in HiveOS, as well as Windows if, you guys are using SRB miner. I actually switched to LOL miner. So let me backtrack. LOL miner is getting much better hash rates than SRB miner. I mean, you could just see getting a huge jump, almost 2 gigahash, or is that what it is? Gigahash? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I'm getting definitely a bigger increase on LOL miner. But yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just rambling here, but figured to get this out and see if this might help you guys out. So here's the HiveOS page for the 3070s. I'm getting about 900 mega hash. Let's see, 3060 Ti's, 735 mega hash. And here's my mix rig. I just hate having mixed rigs, but it is what it is. Getting about 378 mega hash on the Supers, 404 on the 1660 Ti's. And this might help as well. You can kind of see getting 900 on the 3070s at 65 watts, 3060 Ti's, 735 hash rate at 54 watts. The 1660s is at 370.8 mega hash at 30 watts. The Supers are at 378 mega hash at just under 35 watts. And the 1660 Ti's is right at 403 mega hash at 37 watts. So hope you guys like this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you mining Karlsen? Hopefully this spreadsheet helps and helps guide you in that direction. And yeah, I guess we'll just kind of see how this project plays out in the next few weeks and months. Take care, everybody. Thank you.